na pa niyan.
Hindi na, sumuka.
Pero gusto mo dito sa dalawa? Te.
Yung isa. And 8 and okay, 12.
Yung bago, maganda.
Saan dito?
Pinabutas mo sa wanted, oh.
Na, antok na.
Shuk, shuk, shuk,
Antok
shuk.
na ikaw.
Shuk, shuk, shuk,
Sige,
shuk.
picture mo, Lili.
Hindi, video to. Hey, little girl.
Okay.
Hey, little girl. Are you going to sleep?
Ito, sleep na.
Saturday.
Ay, naantok na siya.
Meet Saturday. Sleepy na si Saturday.
She's sleepy and tired.
Tired. English speaking kaya.
Dahil sa likod, English speaking ang aso. Nanay, ano?
Nasagot naman.
Hindi,
Hey,
di
what's
naman
up?
alam eh. Dahil sa likod na may alagan nga dito, 4 ang aso English speaking.
Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Hey, Saturday. What's up?
Tapos pag lumakad,
Are you going to sleep?
Gusto ko ako punta sa ice cream. Nakaramdam ka.
Pagod.
Walang gravity.
napagod na, nainit.
Ayaw mo na mag-play?
Siguro lipad ka doon.
You don't wanna play anymore? You don't wanna play anymore? You're tired.
Napagod na.
Lay down on your bed.
I like to play. Ayan, kay Coach Roger.